Hey guys, how are you? My name is Junzo. Welcome to this video. So today I've got good news. Amazon is restoring Merch by Amazon products. Okay, so on the 25th of March, they closed the US print centers, which means that anyone doing Merch by Amazon stopped getting sales. Okay, and yesterday I received this mail. Okay, with the subject restoring your Merch by Amazon products. So they are restoring US merch products, okay, which means that customers are now able to purchase them. But they also say that they say here you may see longer delivery promises due to capacity constraints. Okay, but I'm okay with that. And what's amazing is almost immediately after I received this email, I got one sale. Okay, and today another one. So this is promising. It means that people are still looking for t-shirts on Amazon, and it means that most likely May will be a good month. Okay, usually this is a time of the year that is good for t-shirt selling on Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform. So I was very happy to know that Amazon is restoring Merch by Amazon listings. Okay, I've got some videos that I've shot before with some tips and advice on how to be successful with Merch by Amazon. So click the link above and see some of those videos. Okay, so guys, that's it. Very short video just to give you this good news. Okay, so if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any question regarding Merch by Amazon or any other subject, please leave a comment. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.